was super formula, Dan Dixon is supposed to be against Mugen with the vessel backing alongside Tomoki and Ahira. Nero because and on the driver.
Where's it first? Where he gone?
Will Stency reporter with the Suno team.
Dan needs to finish Rosie high up to get the points for his super license. And then he can kick one of the other two out. Who will it be?
We'll also have two people related to people next year. Since he's gone free in Abu Dhabi at the weekend, there has been a so far today.
Oh, Joe and I had a really interesting conversation with Manfred Sandvik, who is the guy from Hankook, Martin, and the competitions manager from Hankook, who travels around with a Creventic service. They had lost that point. It was an absolutely deadly serious bid. And
they put more, I'm told by an insider, they put in more money, they offered more money than Pirelli. Than Pirelli, to the point where I've been told from the insiders, Pirelli went, I literally went, you can have it for that, lads. And Pirelli has still got
the reason for that is that
I better open the garage door. It's stinking a bit in here.
Situation. By the fact you have to go through the same side.
No. The guys at Hankook, when I talked to the guys at Michelin and the guys at Hankook about this, it also...
So it's running on Wednesday morning. I told the timing, so it was at 320 degrees, which isn't a massive amount off the 314 the original was at. So what I'll do is I'll let it warm up and then I'll check the timing against the base timing, so the timing on the ECU versus the timing on the actual engine. But yeah, it's running. It won't rev up yet, but I must let it warm up and burn some of the crap off the pistons and stuff. Right, it's running a lot better now. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to put the air filter back on, tidy up some of the wiring. I've checked the balance between each of the throttle bodies, you know, the two pairs, and they're good. Checked the base timing as best I could. There was quite a bit of spark scatter, so it was a little bit hard to tell on the indicators where it was exactly at, but it's pretty damn close. So air filter, sort out the breather pipes, and then there's the clutch to do tonight, and a general tidy up in the garage. I think we're not a million miles off, so yeah, getting there.